This is going to be a new devlog series where I basically go over the development of a game. If you're wondering what happened to Magic and Mushroom, I'll leave that past video in the description and what happened to it. But anyways, we're going to be making an RPG, but you're a wizard. I think that's going to be pretty fun. If you want some direct inspiration, think of Legend of Zelda Minish Cap if you didn't shrink and you're a wizard instead. Anyways, let's jump straight in. Man, it's been a while since I've seen a empty Godot editor. Well, it actually hasn't, but it's been a while since I've seen one for a permanent project, hopefully. Anyways, 2D scene, and let's get started. This is what I got done. It's not much, but it'll do. It's just a simple move around and stuff. Anyways, let's actually start working on the main character. This is Pence. He is going to be the new character for the game, and I think he's pretty cool. And he's a magician, well, mage, who is a creature called a Voidlink. I'll get into what that is later in another video about lore. Anyways, I'm going to start working on some animation, so let's get started on that. Alright, let's just start animating this guy. Hold up. I just realized I don't know how to animate.
I'll help you make more subtle changes as you go along. Let me just fix this up a bit.
When you guys see this, just remember animation is hard. I'm still learning, and all of this can change. I could go back and redo this stuff. But here's the idle animation. I think this one turned out pretty well. If I don't change the sprite, I might keep this idle animation. But walking does need some work. It's not the prettiest animation. So let's get these in game and get them all hooked up to the player. Okay, so I have the animations in. I do like the idle animation. I think that looks pretty natural. The walking animation does need some work. I just got to be able to flip the sprites, and then we are good to go. I'll quickly do that, and I'll come back when I have it. So I'm back, and I got the flipping working. So I think I'm going to start working on a little bit of combat, at least some test combat, and we'll go from there. I will start getting an enemy ready and implementing that. So this is a new monster that I'm working on. Just the sprite so far, and this is just a test sprite. I will be updating this later. I just wanted to get a visual for all you guys. Anyways, let's get the sprite in game and start working on Pence's attack. So, this is all I really did. I gave Porty a little light ball shot that will shoot and kill that one dude. It isn't much right now, but this is all just a proof of concept for when I eventually turn this into a real game. Well, that's all I really have for you guys today. I know it wasn't much, but that wasn't really the point. The point was to kind of show you kind of what the game's going to be like. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribing. It'll help me out a lot, and it'll help me push this video to more people to help me get a bigger following for my game when it eventually comes out. Thank you, and goodbye.